1 year in this business has transformed my life in a way that only God can say. Even I look back and I don't understand the growth and the thing that I have accomplished in 1 year. 1 year. 1 year. God is too faithful to fail you. God is too faithful to disappoint you. When you don't know and when you don't understand why things are happening the way they are happening, just trust God. He is too faithful to fail you. He is too faithful to disappoint you. Many would have gone ahead of you. Those you began with may have gone ahead of you. But just trust God. Know that we are all in our own race. You are not racing against each other, but we are racing against ourselves to be a better version of ourselves every day. So I thank God so much. 2022, I'm looking back and I'm thinking and I'm seeing amazing things. This year, when I started this business, I was really eager to learn. I was excited about opportunity to learn and not to be paying extra money to all this. I was excited that I am now a business owner. I can call myself a business owner with something that was set up for me. It was 90% set up. All I had to do was a 10%. And it didn't cost me a lot of money like I would do in a traditional business. If I was supposed to do own an African shop or something, it would have cost me a lot. And I didn't have the expertise or the knowledge to do any of those things. So to be able to get this, become a business owner, with most of the things done for me, ready to go within 2 weeks. When I applied, within 2 weeks, everything was done and I was up and running. I was amazed. There have been so many challenges because, when the people that you mingle with, or how do I put it, your friends around you, when something that you haven't been doing before, something that they're not used to, when you get into it, in fact, everyone becomes suspicious. Everyone is thinking, what is going on? What is Rebecca doing? This. And you know what? We were told in the business, we don't back friends. And me with my big mouth, some of my friends, when they hear something good, they tell me. So when I found this amazing business, I could not hide it. I could not keep it to myself. I thought it would be so wicked of me to keep it to myself. So I opened my mouth and I shared it to some people. I messaged some people. Oh my goodness. Some of them took it. They followed it up. They checked it up. Others, that was the end of our relationship, our friendship. I don't know why. But it's two ways. It hurts that I found something amazing and I shared it with my friends, and it's affected or ruined our relationship. It's sad that it happened that way. But at the same time, those who took advantage of the opportunity have seen that this is an amazing opportunity. It's an amazing opportunity that gives you the access to own your own business with global reach. Business where you run it yourself. You are not under anyone. You are not. You are free to do whatever you want in the business. It's your business, and the way you want to run it is up to you. You are taught what to do on social media. How many platforms we have? We have training on all the platforms. You choose how many platforms you want to run your business on. And in 1 year, I've been able to achieve 2 milestones in this business. We have 6 milestones in this business. I've been able to achieve 2 out of the 6 milestones in 1 year. In 1 year. And the personal development alone has helped me to achieve so many personal things that I was struggling with, like completing my master's degree, which I have been postponing it for a long time. Through this business, I gained that positive mindset and positivity to know that I can do it. I can finish this thing. And I did finish it. Other things on my heart, personal things on my heart that I was praying to God about, that I have been concerned about for a long time, through this business and the training we got, and the friendship, the networking, being among like-minded people, advice and words people will say, all the encouragement helped me to achieve these things that I was concerned about, or I wanted in my life. I don't want this video to be a long video. I just want you to join with me. Let's thank God for bringing us this far. God bless you, all my business partners, those who have, just taking the opportunity, taking the time to check out this opportunity and have found out to be an amazing opportunity. Mr. Alberta, God bless you. You were my first business partner. This lady I did not even talk to about this business. She just saw my post and she went and just registered what the webinar and then just came in, and that I was like, what? She was one person that I did not even talk about this business. But she said, Rebecca, I have seen many people advertise this business. I didn't really want to go in until I saw that you were in. Why? It's the integrity. The integrity that I have built. She knew that if I was in, it's not something that is a scam, because I will not put my registration and my integrity as a Christian at risk and join a scam. This is an amazing opportunity. If you did not check it out in 2022, I give you another chance. Check it out in 2023 and you will be amazed. What have you got to lose? You got nothing to lose. I am here to explain things to you. If you have any questions, ask me. Don't just assume. This is a big opportunity. Don't miss it. People have used it to buy their first homes. People have used it to pay their mortgages in under 2 years. This business has opened a big door to many of us. Nursing will not do that for me, but this business can do that for you. Come and see what this business has to offer. Happy New Year in advance.